Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. My channel is Shatriya's Geography class. Hope you like my videos and all the topics whatever I have told before. Today's topic is soil erosion and soil conservation. It is a continuation of my last video, already you know that. And my previous videos links already I am given in my description box, you can check it. The first thing is causes of soil erosion. So there are so many causes of soil erosion. Number one, it depends upon the character of the soil. It is the main part of the soil erosion. Character of soil. That means the loose and fragile soil easily wears away by the action of the agents of weathering. So if all the soil particles very much loses through the rainfall or disintegration or any natural agents, so through the agents, natural agents, it can be wear away very easily. Next one, number two, that is the character of the land slope. Character of land slope, which also causes soil erosion. Why? Because the soil erosion is a prominent on steep slope. If it has a steep slope like this, it automatically wear away all the rock materials through this landslide. And this erosion is less if this erosion is less active on the flat land. So in a steep slope it can be active more, and in the flat land it cannot be wear away very fast. It will be slow process. Next one is bare land. It also makes cause the soil erosion. Bare lands which is lack of vegetation. Bare land means where there is no afforestation. It's completely open pores to the soil erosion. It has no vegetation over there. Rainfall is little, and the wind and the sun heat it up very much, and the roots of the plants bind, and the soil fight against with the erosion. So that is called bare land. That means it's very much difficult to grow up plants over there in that area. Next, number four. Number four is another cause is uncontrolled use of the soil by man. So using of soil by man, I can write it using of soil by men. So we human beings using the soil in different ways. So for this, deforestation or the cutting down or felling down all the trees from the forest through the animals or the method of the cultivation or any kind of man-made features, we are going to damage all the vegetation areas and the forestation areas. So that's why the topsoil of the cover and it leads the soil erosion. If we are cutting down all the trees, the topsoil layer will be breaking down and it's going to be loose. It can't take hold all the soil materials. So that is why soil erosion happens over there, because of too much using of forest and cutting the trees. So these are the main causes of the soil erosion. Coming to the next point, that is the conservation of soil. So it's very interesting part of it. Number A, that is afforestation. It is the most important way we can save our soil, also the forest. So afforestation means planting more trees in areas where the soil has become exposed to agents of erosion. Through this afforestation, Van Mahotsav is also celebrated, and it is an annual tree planting festival in India. So we are celebrating this in the first week of July every year. So this festival has gained immense of national importance, and every year millions of saplings are planted all across India to observe the Van Mahotsav week. And through this afforestation, we can conserve the soil erosion. Only afforestation makes the soil erosion reduced. Next one, that is restriction of overgrazing. Restriction of overgrazing. It is another way that we can conserve our soil. So in this case, the overgrazing should be restricted for the growth of the new plant tree, because all the animals like sheep, goat, cow, they can eat all the little plant saplings, and that's why the soil particle is getting loose. So only overgrazing restriction helps us to reduce the soil erosion. Next one, that is contour cultivation or terrace farming. Contour cultivation and also the terrace farming. Terrace farming or terrace cultivation. In this case, we should be practiced in hilly areas mainly to avoid the excessive washing away of the topsoil to the steep slope of the land. If we are continuously cutting down all the trees and this is the steep slope and it will going down all the rock materials through the slope, the topsoil will be removing, and that is why the soil erosion can be happened. So in this way we can reduce the soil erosion. So contour cultivation and terrace cultivation is farming can check the flow of the water, and this can help us to reduce the soil erosion effectively. So it helps us reducing the soil erosion. Next one is shifting cultivation. This is the another way, shifting cultivation or zoom cultivation. This is also help us for reducing the soil erosion. Now, in areas where the zoom cultivation is mainly practiced in the land, mainly whole the land cleared up. All the trees have been cutting down first, and it is followed by the burning all the vegetation over that area. So it's more effective on the air and as well as the soil. So in this case, cultivation is done on the ash so produced. So after the cultivation for a few years on that land, the left behind, this abundant land becomes susceptible to erosion. That means if we continuously shifting the cultivation from one place to another, this type of cultivation should be prohibited. Because of the continuation of shifting, the soil particles, the fragile, the porous can be easily washed away through the rainfall, and it getting so much looses, so it can't hold the whole rock particles of the soil. So it must be prohibited, shifting cultivation. And the last one is awareness, and it can only done by us. Awareness of the people should be developed through the large scale of conservation. Only if people would aware about the soil erosion and the conservation of the forest and the soil, it can only make us a good and healthy nature. So awareness is the most and important part for the conservation of soil. So these are all the points, basic points of conservation of soil. This is the last topic I am telling you. So weathering chapter is totally completed through this video. So in the next video I am going to talking about a new chapter. So stay tuned.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment it. Thank you.